And so building AI at Jam, we've learned a bunch of things, and I want to share them with you. So the first thing is the quality bar for AI is higher, I think, than for other features. Because all of you have had the experience of using bad AI, and doesn't it anger you? And that's because when you're building for developers, your audience is inherently not just skeptical, but they're actually trying to get something done. And when you clutter their utility with marketing fluff, doesn't it anger you? And so for us at Jam, we would rather not ship an AI feature we've already built than ship something that feels like marketing fluff. And so it means that we build features differently for AI than we build for other things. So our process is literally different. The first week of building an AI feature, we just build a proof of concept. It's like a hackathon week. And then together as a team, we make a go, no-go decision. Do we delete all our code, or do we merge it in? After that, we build a tool that's just internal to ourselves, and no user sees it until it's good enough for us. Then once it's good enough for us, we invite in 10, then 50, then 100 early access users, and we email them incessantly for feedback. And then we ship. But it really, really matters that the quality bar is really high. So here's another interesting decision that we had building this AI feature I showed you. Should it be opt-in, press a button to generate a ticket for me, or is it automatic? We just write the AI description for you every single time. We had a decision to make. How many of you would have chosen button to write the ticket? How many would have chosen just write it for the user no matter what? What we decided is either the feature is good or it's not. And if it's good, it should write every ticket. And if it's not good, then like what? Are we going to let the user choose whether to see a bad ticket? Like either we believe in it or we don't. And so we decided it has to be automatic. It has to be there every time. And that's only if we're proud of the feature, and otherwise it just shouldn't ship. So there's no in-between for AI.
Or allow the user to just like delete the auto-generated content very easily.
Yes, so that's actually what we went with. So it's tab complete. So we generate it, and then if you want it, you tab complete. Right now we have an early access program, and 1 out of every 5 tickets gets tabbed complete exactly as the AI wrote it, which is pretty cool. Imagine being in QA or being a PM and not having to write 1 out of every 5 tickets. So everyone knows in AI, it's like garbage in, garbage out. It's like the quality of your inputs equals the quality of your outputs. Usually that we're talking about data quality, but here we also want qualitative feedback and quantitative feedback. So we've set up a lot of systems that we review every single Monday as an AI team to make sure that what we're building is high quality. So that's what's the acceptance rate of our AI suggestions. It's what's the thumbs up versus thumbs down rate by users. And we are constantly emailing those 59 early access users, both to give them like in-email surveys, like 2 questions in line, or to ask to hop on a call, and then we share the like clips from the call in the AI team to discuss. Okay, when you're designing AI, doesn't it just, it's just like, wow, magic feature. And so all the designers are like, let's make it look like magic, right? Like every AI feature you've seen on the internet kind of looks magical, right? Lots of pinks and purples. But actually, that's not what we believe about AI. We believe that AI is just a utility to get things done. And if that's the case, then we should make it just blend into the product. And so one design decision we've made is just to make it boring, grayscale, and not magical. The last thing I want to share is what tools we're using that we found really helpful to improve our prompt. So the first one is the engineers on the team love prompt foo. How many of you are using that? It's like Google Sheets plus evals for engineers. It's really, really awesome. The other is how many of you have heard of glyph.xyz? We shared a designer with Glyph. The same AI designer at Jam also designed Glyph. So we're a little biased, but it's sort of a no-code builder for AI tools. And what it allows our designer to do is he can create a prototype of our product using Glyph, work on the prompt himself, and then share it back with engineers. But really, the best tools for us have just been the boring ones. Just having a Notion that's an experiment log of everything we've tried in AI and a meta-based dashboard to track our quality has honestly been game-changing. So these are the 5 lessons building at AI Jam, and thank you.